The Royal Air Force, RAF, has taken delivery of its second Envoy IV CC Mk1 aircraft for the timely and discreet transport of military personnel and mission-critical equipment. According to the service, the delivery marked the achievement of full service capability for the RAF's newest Command Support Air Transport, CSAT, fleet. Establishing the new CSAT service with Envoy IV is the culmination of months of hard work on the part of RAF, Defense Equipment and Support, and our industry partners, an RAF Air Mobility official said. He added that the Envoy IV will support UK influence and diplomacy around the world. Citing from the Defence Post's website, the RAF's latest transport aircraft is set to replace the service's BAe 146C Mk3 military transport aircraft, which was retired earlier this year.